Auto glass replacement for all vehicles. Do you need auto glass replacement, Las Vegas? Call 702-574-3662. We'll drive over to you, Las Vegas, at Nordstrom. Charge. Chevy, Dodge for Nissan, Toyota, Mercedes, BMW, Volkswagen. Any car, call for Save Lives. Window not rolling up and down, we'll come over and get it repaired. Las Vegas, Henderson, North Las Vegas, Sunrise. Anywhere for the same price. Auto glass repair and replacement for all vehicle makes and models. Chevy, Dodge, Ford, Nissan, Scion, Toyota, Chrysler, Jeep, Isuzu, Kia, Hyundai, Cadillac, Volvo, VW, BMW, Honda, Mercedes, Mercury. Window not rolling up or down? Auto glass replacement, window motor repair, window regulator replacement, auto glass repair, auto glass replacement service, window regulator repair, auto glass shop. New windshield for any car, trucks, SUVs.